Good morning students. Today's topic male reproductive cell. Male reproductive cell is otherwise called as sperm cell. This sperm is the smallest human cell. Okay, compared to all other cells, male is the smallest human cell. Human sperm, the characteristics of human sperm, it is microscopic, flagellated and motile. Next, the full part, the entire part of the sperm is enclosed with plasma membrane. Then the movement of the sperm cell is forward movement. The body of the sperm is divided into three divisions: head region, middle region and tail region. Head region consists of two parts, acrosome and nucleus. Okay, the tip of the tip of the head consists of acrosome. That tip of the head consists of one enzyme. That enzyme is called hyaluronidase enzyme. This enzyme is otherwise called proteolytic enzyme. It is a sperm lysine. The main function of this enzyme, which penetrate the ovum during fertilization. Next, nucleus is flat and oval. Once again, we will discuss the head region. Head region consists of acrosome and head. Acrosome is present in the tip of the head. In this region, hyaluronidase enzyme is present. It is a proteolytic enzyme. It is sperm lysine. It is used to penetrate the ovum during fertilization. Nucleus is flat and oval. Next, the head region and the middle regions are connected with neck region. Next, we will come to the middle piece. Middle piece consists of two types of centrioles, proximal centriole and distal centriole. Proximal centriole is facing towards the head. Distal centriole is facing towards the tail region. This middle piece consists of mitochondria. Mitochondria give energy to the cell. The mitochondria give energy in the form of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Once again, middle piece consists of two types of centrioles, proximal centriole and distal centriole. Next, it consists of mitochondria. Mitochondria give energy to the cell. The mitochondria give energy to the cell. This energy is in the form of ATP. Now coming to axial region. This is the axial region or tail region. It is otherwise called axial filament. It is used to move the sperm cell. How the sperm cells will move means forward movement. Forward movement. Okay, I think you are all understood. Once again, I summarize the sperm cell. Sperm cell is otherwise called male reproductive cell. It is divided into three divisions: head region, middle region and tail region. Head region consists of acrosome and head. Acrosome is present in the tip of the head. In this region, hyaluronidase enzyme is present. The head is connected with middle piece with the help of neck. Middle piece consists of mitochondria, proximal centriole, distal centriole. Proximal centriole is move towards the head. Distal centriole is move towards the tail region. This is the tail region. Tail region is used to move from one place to another place. The movement is forward movement. Next, characteristics of human sperm. It is microscopic, flagellated and motile. The body is fully enclosed with plasma membrane. This sperm is the smallest human cell. Okay, we will meet the next class.